everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rina and I'm a professional makeup artist. So, quarantine made a lot of influencers make their challenges, and one of the biggest in Russia was Natalina's smokey challenge. So I would like to participate in something like this, but I don't have really time. But I was just in love with this beautiful look from, I think it was day 4 from her challenge. So I wanted to share this makeup with you too. So if you're ready, let us start to create this. For today's makeup, I'm using BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I think it was in my previous video, but this one is really good. And also from BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. I'm starting with applying blue final Throttle from NYX and just apply it all over your eyelid. We're gonna blend it. We blend it really well all over our lid. And getting to our outside eye corner. And making this small steps up. I'm applying just light blue, then we are getting to deep blue color, and we will apply it all over our eyelid. I'm taking another brush just to blend it better, and with tiny movements we making this beautiful blending. If you need to make this line a little bit more blended, you may use the same brush we used for our light color and just make it a little bit even more blended. After this step, I'm using Galaxy Chic palette and this beautiful color. I'm applying it just using my finger. And maybe you may want just to use this one because it's beautiful too. So I want to apply this one too, just to make it even more shiny. After all these steps, I'm gonna clean my face and prepare it for our face makeup. So I'm cleaning my face. And I can make my makeup even more sharp, just making things like this. BB cream. And for today's makeup, I'm using Wonder Stick from NYX. I will also apply this Electra eyeshadow to my eye corner. After that, I'm applying blush. So today it is Beige Cosmetics 2. And I want to take shiny. So a little bit more of bronzer, just like this. After that, I'm brushing my brows. And just filling them with this stuff from Profussion. After that, I'm taking... I really love this one, but I don't like this package because it's always messy. It's sleek highlighter, and I'm applying it under my brows. To my nose. Angel bow. A little bit for cheeks. And final step for this makeup will be applying liquefier, or you may use just your lip gloss. So I'm using Vicon, and this is special stuff for this, but if you're using something like a lip gloss or even this stuff, your makeup gonna ruin after few hours or even less, because liquid makeup is something you really cannot wear all of the time, unfortunately, because this is so tricky thing. It's really great for photo shoots or something like this, or maybe short videos, but you're not gonna wear it all day and all the time. Thank you so much for watching my channel, watching this video, being with me. I really hope you like it, and if you do, hit the like button, hit subscribe button, and maybe you have another challenge to me to recreate. So if you have this one, please let me know. Subscribe to my Instagram page. Maybe you want to contact me there. So see you soon, and remember that you are already beautiful.